Well, Russell, we've got more customers where that came from. Start that grill up.
You got it, Dylan.
Excuse me, Russell. Well, Russell, looks like these soda drakes are gonna need more than just 1 cup of root beer on the go. Up to it, on the double.
Whatever you say, Dylan. Well, how do you like that, Dylan? We're all fresh out. And I have a feeling that the customers are not going to be pleased when they hear about this.
You don't say. Well, that wouldn't be too big of a problem. We'll just have to go pick up a fresh batch of root beer for next week's shift.
Well, that's a good idea, Dylan. I always knew that you'd be using the old noodle.
Come on, Russell, we better get going. All right, let's get going. Oi! We lost a barrel! What's the matter with you, Russell? There goes one! How do you like that? Come on! Oh my god! Oh my god! Next time, Russell, please make sure to bundle down the barrels of root beer. Is that too much to ask for?